Hey guys, so today's I think wait, yeah, today's wait, let me switch it off. Today's 7th of June and it's 8:15, and we are leaving from Halde. We are going towards Somoriri and then towards Leh. So the bikes are loaded and ready. Let's see if it starts on the first self. Thank you, Michael. Nice. So yeah, this is it for Hanle. Well, and everyone is ready. The bike has to be cleaned after reaching Delhi. Not yet. I am also fine. A bit dirty, but it's fine. Cool. So yeah, we'll be leaving in 10 or 15 minutes, and then I'll meet you directly on the road. So it's a long journey to Leh, around 300 kilometers, and we are initially going to Somoriri, which is around 75 to 80 kilometers, and then we'll take a detour towards Leh. And well, yeah, so we are finally descending and approaching our end of the trip. So yeah, probably this is the last leg of the video series from Hanle to Leh. Then we will go to Leh to Jispa, which is the same road. So I don't think I will vlog on the way. But yeah, let's see what the road to Leh has to bring to us. Cool. Let's see you on the road. On the road towards Loma from Hanle, and well, the road is so good and empty that it feels umda. I had a good breakfast. 3 boiled eggs. Three boiled eggs. One 4 breads, and I had 2 cups of tea. So yeah, I am fresh enough for a good around 300 kilometers of ride. Sorry, and yeah, feels good, man. Well, this is mesmerizing, man. Yeah, it feels bad that we'll be returning home in 2 days. So, but it's fine. Lots of memories, and of course, lots of friends. Oh man, I'm gonna miss them. Like 10 days of this journey. Well, it has given me that patience that I needed, that break that I needed, and that peace of mind and clarity. Not clarity, I am still confused, but yeah, I'm happy. The one thing I had to do, I did it, man. And that too, to the top of the world, that is Umlingla. Just see the pahars. We crossed the Hanle stretch, and we have taken the turn towards Neuma. ब्रेक है ब्रेक है अच्छा 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 अच्छा
Through the night and morning, when the rain is pouring, you're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here
it's time to go from this place, Somore Lake, and on towards the Mahe Highway. The roads are good, so it's not taking much time. Let's take the turn. You will see the lake behind me. Oi, 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 oi. Time to go from this place. It has been a pleasure. So Moriri, it has been a pleasure. A good pleasure. Nice photos also, man. A new wallpaper. Cool, cool, cool. So yeah, now we'll be going to back to that highway. We'll join that, and then we'll move towards Leh, which is around I think 150 or 160 kilometers from here. So yeah, that was it. It's time to rock the road safely. Safety is important, man. See you once we join the highway. Bye bye. So we are on the highway now. We have left that Somoriri road, and I think our next stop will be Chumathang, which is around 20 kilometers from that place. So I think another 15 kilometers or so, where we will have our lunch. So, and as per the milestone, Upshi is more 100 kilometers and Leh is 150 kilometers from this exact same place. And wow.
बस तो अभी हम तो जा रहे थे.
So this was Chumthang, where we had our lunch. So Leh is around 137 kilometers. So I think it will take good 2 hours or 3 hours to reach. So yeah, rest. Everyone is well fed, well rested, and well, the temperature is rising bit by bit. So just see that, man. Wow. So the time is around 1:45. So we had a break of I think 20-30 minutes, and we are good to go. Let's ride. I will see you later. Bye bye.
It goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like I believe that we are more. All the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain. Only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, you're loving me. It goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further. It goes like
Oh. Oye bhai sahab, just see the height of this mountain, man. Baap re baap. Oh. Oye bhai sahab. Nice. So we are at Upshi Market, Ladol restaurants to have some tea and then we'll continue further. Leh is more 47 kilometers. Oh, that I think will take more 1 or 1.5 hours to reach. So it's cool. Let's go. Let's eat. Yeah, so we are back in Leh at that hotel, Guru Residency Ladakh. We had a good drive, around 250 kilometers as such. And well, Mehdi bhai, how was it?
Awesome, beautiful ride, beautiful landscape.
Yeah, man.
मजे आ गए.
All were good, all are healthy and fine, and we are back in Ladakh, waiting for our luggage to come.
Yeah, back in Leh.
Sorry, we are back in Leh.
कर रहे हैं बैक कर रहे हैं क्या कर रहे हैं
Oh, hello. देखो पागल को. To the same hotel. Wow, nice. You did it. कुछ तो करे.
The next day.
Hello bikes. Hello guys. So yeah, I am at the bikes, and it's time that we depart from Leh to Jispa. The distance is around 300 something kilometers as per map, but we'll be crossing 4 passes: Tanglangla, Lachungla, Nakila, and Barlachala. So yeah, so today will be a day, good day. So yeah, today is the last leg of this journey. Hope to reach Jispa by evening. I will not vlog much on the way because all the paths have been shown already. After break at Gata Loops, probably I will show just checkpoints where we'll be crossing, like Tanglangla, Nakila, all those things. Barlachala. I think Barlachala will be at evening, so it will look good. Rest. One of us will be leaving from here directly to Kolkata, our Ved bhai. But rest, everything's good. Everyone healths are wonderful, and yeah, we'll be leaving in some time. Bye. ये रहे हमारे वेद भाई, निकल रहे हैं. बाय बैन. तो कैसा लगा हम लोग के साथ?
बहुत बढ़िया.
घंटा झूठ बोल रहा है, झूठ बोल रहा है, इसलिए भाग रहा है.
30,000 का टिकट करा के बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है. एकदम मस्त.
ना भाई,
बैंकॉक की रिटर्न टिकट आया थी.
30,000 है
और एक चीज हो जाता मेरा.
भाई साहब.
हाँ, पूरे ट्रिप का ही पैसा डाल दिया डबल.
भाई शरीर पहले, लेकिन शरीर के लिए कर रहा है ना.
नहीं, मन के लिए, मन खुश होना चाहिए ना.
बहुत मालूम है बेचारे को एक तो सोलो रूम दे दिया ना, बातचीत. वो सबसे बड़ी पीटी यार.
कल बोल रहा था फ्लेक्स.
मैं तो कितनी बार बोला हमारे रूम में आ जाओ, नीचे बैठ डाल. तो नहीं आ रहा.
15,000 एक रेस्टोरेंट का, 15,000 एक रेस्टोरेंट, 2 रेस्टोरेंट का फ्लेक्स कर दिया.
नहीं भाई, चलो भाई,
सेफली जाना.
चलो वेद भाई, सी यू अगेन
बाइक पे आते
ब्रो. वेद ब्रो,
चलो भाई, ब्लॉग में आ जाओ. आओ चलो ब्लॉग में.
व्लॉग तो क्या है, वीडियो. बाय
भेज देना
मैन.
वीडियो, ये वीडियो भेज देना.
हाँ, बाय बाय.
मिलता है. चलो. अरे हमसे भी तो मत लो.
हार्ले. चलो भाई, बाय.
It's your time. Don't be held back again. You need to resist. You're on limits. This fire is burning. dreams can exist in a world like this. Don't abandon them. You need to embrace all that you are. Stare fear in the face to reach for the stars. Been waiting for this moment, so let it begin. You're unbreakable. Feeling powerful. Nothing's getting in the way. You're unbreakable. You're invincible. Be unbreakable again. You need to embrace all that you are. Stare fear in the face to reach for the stars.
Hi. So, yeah, this is the next day. Back from Ladakh. थोड़ा टायर्ड है हम, बट उसके अलावा द एक्सपीरियंस जो मुझे मिला, इट हैज़ बीन वंडरफुल. लाइक I was, when I started, I was initially in the fear that how group trips will turn out to be, but well, this has been the most wonderful group trip I can ever be on, and truly Ladakh is a dream come true. Like when I first bought my bike, मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि कभी उसको चला के मैं दिल्ली से I will go to लद्दाख, लेकिन हाँ, we did it, and I will remember we did it, and I will remember it for my whole life. So the planning has already started for when the next trip will be, but yeah, I have to earn some money before I go there. So yeah, okay, see you in the next one, and this is Dominated Journals. My name is Savik Sarkar, signing off. Bye.